Have you ever wondered what would happen if gravity suddenly disappeared just for a second? Imagine everything floating in midair. People and objects would start floating upwards uncontrollably. Buildings, cars, and even airplanes would all be lifted off the ground. The ocean's water would break free from the constraints of gravity and rise up into the atmosphere. Birds would struggle to navigate the sudden lack of gravitational pull. Everything not secured would be thrown up into the sky. Without gravity, the atmosphere would expand and disperse into space. Satellites and space stations would drift aimlessly since there would be no force to hold them in orbit. Human structures like bridges and towers would collapse as they lose their foundation in gravity. Animals and plants would experience disorientation as they are lifted off the ground. The Earth's rotation could speed up due to the sudden loss of gravitational pull. People would struggle to stay grounded as they float helplessly. The absence of gravity would create chaos and confusion on a global scale. Life as we know it would be completely disrupted for that brief moment. It's a stark reminder of the importance of this force in our everyday lives. Science fiction often explores the consequences of such drastic changes in the laws of physics. But thankfully, gravity continues to keep us grounded and connected to the Earth every second of every day.